Welcome to the CAD Academy. The CAD Academy is an award-winning pre-engineering, pre-architecture program for secondary and post-secondary schools. We offer industry certification and university preparation using STEM-based curriculum. I'm Stephanie Kwame. I have been adjunct faculty at a community college for 24 years teaching CAD. I am the president of the CAD store, so we do commercial CAD installations, and also the technical chair for Skills USA Nationals and on the President's Council for the ITEA. The CAD Academy is a very comprehensive and complete package. It includes SolidWorks, ArchiCAD, Bentley Power Civil, A+ CAD, and Blender, so you have everything from mechanical to animation. It also uses industry-based projects, but the biggest thing is we use the ADDA certified curriculum. The ADDA is an organization that we'll talk about in a few minutes that helps to preserve drafting standards and technology. The CAD Academy really believes in professional development training, and with the way things change nowadays, the swiftness that things changes, teachers definitely need all the training that they can get. We include green technology. We have SolidWorks Sustainability Express. It figures the carbon footprint of a design. And the award-winning Eco Designer from Graphisoft, which is figures the energy impact of our design choices before we have gone very far in our project, so it would be more cost-effective to make changes. We went to monsters.com and found out that we have a lot of jobs available for our product mix, which means that your students will be prepared for job opportunities as well out there. SolidWorks has been a big leader in their field in the PC mechanical CAD market, and it has been a pleasure and will be a pleasure to work with them and continue to work with them. SolidWorks has wonderful curriculum up on their website, STEM-based curriculum. They have excellent educational support, and they include and give us extra things like simulation, so we students can find out about finite element analysis. And they also have a certification that is separate from the industry certification we do, called the Certified SolidWorks Associate Exam, and our curriculum leads students to that certification. Love ArchiCAD. ArchiCAD is done by Graphisoft. It actually is the BIM software that started the BIM movement. In 1987, the president down there, his name is Gabor, always believed in 3D, and it's amazing how other companies understand that now and are putting that platform in their software as well. Along with the BIM movement comes the changes in architecture that's really where the biggest changes are happening. So we have LEED certification that we comply with in architecture right now as well. But construction has had the biggest impact with the BIM. They absolutely love it. Instead of having the garbage dumpster be the first thing that they bring out, they can actually better order and more tightly order materials. They can find interference before they actually build something. So we've had some larger construction firms have conferences for their subcontractors, and we've helped them with that, to tell them that if they don't bother to switch to BIM, they don't want to work with them. So that's the impact. It's made a big impact. And I would say that the biggest change right now is in architecture, and it's really that parametric technology that we've always had in the solid modeling mechanical packages has finally come into architecture. Bentley Power Civil is in our package as well. It's used by 47 out of 50 Department of Transportations. It goes field to finish for civil engineering, and civil engineering is often neglected at the high school and the community college level. So it'd be nice to get students interested in that at an earlier age or earlier level. We have A+ CAD, which is a 2D CAD package for training students on vector data, coordinate systems, all of that sort of thing, but industry is definitely moving or has moved to 3D. Love our videos. It's another learning style. You know, you listen and you hear, but you also learn by seeing. And they're really possibility thinking for students. A lot of times when you're doing simple projects and drawing little lines, you don't realize that maybe in the future you'll be part of a team that designs the transatlantic tunnel. And they have a video on that where it talks about how they tether it to the ocean and how it takes longer to go to up to hyperspeed than to go across the pond, which is about 45 minutes they estimate. There's also some practical videos on green and sustainable, like Mayor Richard Daley in the City Hall was supposed to save money on and make it more energy efficient. So this is City Hall before and after. He made a green roof. You see that all over now. We do have curriculum and certification from industry, as we talked about it, and it means funding in several states of the Union. So, and 85% of the students in Florida, for instance, have to pass industry certification tests if they are in career technology programs. So this definitely aligns with that and complies with that. Our program does. This is the website for the ADDA. They are dedicated for preserving standards and getting the word out there by providing curriculum and testing and certification. Floyd McWilliams, his picture's there. He is an educator also. So the entire organization and the leadership is definitely involved in education, and it's been my pleasure, or our pleasure, to work with them. We have a new instructor portal that uses a Moodle interface, and students could go up here and go through it, or an instructor could as well. It has testing. It has student downloads, because the student downloads are included with our program. And this is the old instructor portal. We're leaving that up. That has the project-based exercises that helps learn the software quickly and easily. I hope you'll take a look at the CAD Academy, www.thecadacademy.com. And if you don't have it at your school, maybe get your career technology director to take a look at it and help your students become more motivated to become architects, engineers, and take on career paths.